Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Purina Friskies Can Wet Cat Food 40-count variety packs. She is an older cat, and some wet foods seem hard for her to swallow. Not this. He loves the food, and the variety pack offers a different taste that he loves. The box contains 4 different varieties, which allows Joseph to have a different meal each day. 2 rows of cans were dented pretty badly, but other than that the order was fine. She was able to keep her food down for once, and have normal bowel movements. Cat loves it, but packaging box was normal, but the product packaging was all ripped up, and 2 cans were damaged opened. It's probably low-grade fish rectums, but apparently to a cat that's a gourmet treat. Nothing worse than sticking your hand in the box, and pulling it out full of beef gravy. The food arrived when expected, and they love it of course, but nearly every can has a dent. Came quick, fair price, was left out in the freeze rain, had some beat-up cans, and open, came in huge box, and was heavy, could have been put in 3 boxes. The gravy factor in here adds moisture to the food, which is really great for cats. They seem to enjoy the shreds more than other types, and so many cans for a good price. The fish ones do make the breath a little more yikes than the chicken, or beef pieces. They get crunchy hard food all day, but get a spoonful of this in the morning and evening, and they love it. It was late first of all, and then on top of that it arrived beat up, and falling apart. Half the cans are dented, and 1 can someone ended up open, and has 2 other cans stuck to it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.